Everything's perfect right now.
Don't make fun of me because I have that big wheel and blade.
I'm not gonna make fun of you at all.
You recording?
Yes, just turned it on.
He's making fun of me, people.
I'm not making fun of you at all. You're making fun of my voice crack, you butt.
Formation or what?
Formation!
I was laughing for like 10 minutes after I heard that.
Formation!
Formation or what? What do you want to do? Formation or what? I should play the voice crack for your fans.
Yeah. You guys good on time? Okay, I'm gonna go up. No making fun of me, dang it. What do you want to do, formation or what? Oh, shut up, you butt. Get out of here. Get out of here. It barely cracked, you butt.
Timer cleared.
Take it off!
Gear up.
My mom's bringing the damn spicy dog here. Those legs look good, Ray.
They do, thank you. Which dog? The one that always barks at me?
The little one.
The one that always barks at me?
Well, they all do that, but the one that barks the most. Very nice, Todd. I can't believe it doesn't have a fiery booty, Ray.
It will.
That's it out. Ray, which way you going?
Just tell me whatever way you want, I'll stay clear.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, low pass from the right, from the left.
Keon, did you take off? Yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Ray, the sound that thing makes is cool.
It is.
Those lights look good on it too. Ray, what do you have in there?
It's from my old F-15 setup.
It's the 1600 kV, right?
Yeah, but with the older rotor.
Looks good in that plane.
It works perfect.
Why are you going to change it?
Because it's not the most efficient.
30 seconds.
Nice, Jack.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Okay. I gotta come in after you're down. Oh, I didn't change the elevator. I just changed the aileron.
Very
Nice, Jack. I forgot to change the elevator.
Gear down.
Do I have to send him a link?
Come on back, Jack. I know. Come on in. It's okay. I've got time. Taxi in.
1 minute over.
And then I have 6 that are even a friend, which is they take the discount off whatever the window rate is. Sometimes the window rate's lower during speed or whatever.
You're good. You're good. Set it up. Sorry, you were stressed because I told.
It's all right. I'm good. I'm good.
No, my mom's in traffic. She's not gonna be here till 6.
Seriously?
Yeah.
There's traffic now?
Yes.
Oh, probably on Sunol Grade. There was a big accident on the way home last week. Are you gonna play it again, you butt? Turn that crap off.
It's too funny though.
My voice barely even cracked. Yeah, I like the lights. Thanks for helping me hook that up.
You did all the work.
Huh?
You did all the work tearing that nest, tearing that rat nest apart.
I know, but you told me where to plug it in.
Oh, Jack's gonna take off.
Go, Jack, go!